Hello students, in this video I will explain few new topic of chapter structure of atom. So today we discuss cause of chemical combination. So an atom can achieve the inert gas electronic configuration or to stabilize itself or to complete their octet in three ways. Number one, by losing one or more electron to another atom. Next, by gaining one or more electron from another atom. Next, by sharing one or more electron with another atom. Now next, types of valency. So there are two types of valency, electrovalency and covalency. Now next is electrovalency. So what is electrovalency? The total number of electron lose or gain by an atom of an element to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration or to stabilize itself or to complete their octet is known as its electrovalency. Example, sodium. Valency of sodium is equal to 1 because the atomic number of sodium is equal to 11 and its electronic configuration is 281. So here 1 is the electron which is present in the outermost shell of the sodium atom. So sodium atom can lose this electron to form sodium ion to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of neon. Since a sodium atom loses one electron to achieve inert gas electronic configuration of neon, therefore the valency of sodium is 1 or 1 plus. Next example is valency of aluminium is equal to 3. So here atomic number of aluminium is equal to 13 and so its electronic configuration is 283. So in outermost shell of the aluminium there is 3 electrons. So aluminium atom can lose these 3 electron to stabilize itself or to achieve the nearest electronic configuration of neon, which is inert gas. Since one atom of aluminium loses 3 electrons to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of neon, so valency of neon is 3. Now next is valency of chlorine. So valency of chlorine is equal to 1 as the atomic number of valency is equal to 17 and its configuration is 287. So chlorine atom gain one electron to achieve the nearest electronic configuration of argon. Now it become chloride ion and its configuration is 2, 8 and 8. Now next is valency of oxygen. So valency of oxygen is 2 because the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and its configuration is 2, 6. So oxygen atom gain 2 electron to stabilize itself or to achieve inert gas electronic configuration or nearest inert gas electronic configuration of neon. Now its electronic configuration is 2, 8. Next, valency of nitrogen is 3 because the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and its configuration is 2, 5. So it requires 3 electron to stabilize itself. So it gain 3 electron to complete their octet or to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of neon. So valency of nitrogen is 3 and its configuration is 2, 8. Now next is covalency. So what is covalency? The number of electron which is shared by an atom of an element to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration is called its covalency. Example, covalency of hydrogen is equal to 1 as the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So its electronic configuration will be 1 and hydrogen atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So it need 1 more electron to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration of helium. and it make hydrogen molecule by sharing one pair of electrons. Now next is covalency of chlorine. So covalency of chlorine is also 1 because the atomic number of chlorine is 17 and there is 7 electron which is present in their outermost shell. So it share one pair of electron to achieve the nearest inert gas electronic configuration. Now next covalency of oxygen is 2 because it can share 2 pair of electron to achieve inert gas electronic configuration. Now next covalency of nitrogen. So covalency of nitrogen is equal to 3 because it can share 3 pair of electron to stabilize itself or to achieve inert gas electronic configuration.